Alright everybody, we're here at a secret creek in Wyoming. We just flew in this morning, drove out here. We walked, what do you think? A mile and a half? Something like that. We keep hearing that this creek is awesome. So, it's right down here.
See?
Oh, osprey. That's cool. So, we're gonna go see if we can't catch some fish. Who knows? It's kind of a mystery. Let's go. We all have those friends from college that we say we're going to keep up with. But as real life hits and you begin to find yourself strapped for time, you begin to realize the importance of the friends that you care for the most. The ones that you would move a mountain for because you know that they would move two for you. Those friendships take time and dedication. They are built upon sacrifice and common passions. For our crew, those passions revolve around our love for Jesus Christ and our wild drive to embrace the adventures of God's creation. This trip was no different. 6 friends meeting in Wyoming with the goal of sticking a few native fish. Now, all of our schedules were a little different, so while Meg, Mike, and Sarah were getting their work done, Justice, Zach, and I spent the day floating the Snake River. Alright, hanging out here on the Snake on Zach's new boat. Yeah. Pretty sweet. He's pumped. No fish yet, but just look at those Tetons. Justice, having a good time? Oh yeah. Alright, making a little fly switch, and we'll just kind of see what happens. We are having a good time though. We appreciate it, Zach. Thanks for taking us out. You're the best.
You're gonna have to edit this out because if you say that one more time, you are always welcome out.
I was about to say you should have said that.
Hear that? I'm always welcome out. I'm just gonna start showing up at his door. 2 a.m. like, let's go, Zach. Let's go. All right. Time to hit the water again. We got, what do you think? 7 more miles to go? Not a lot of daylight left? 5 to 7? Shaky 5 to 7? All right, let's get going.
just where he was needed. Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
Alright, we've christened the boat. Justice put us on a fish.
Justice 1, boys 0.
Maybe tomorrow. But, I mean, come on, look at this light. Tetons over there. Oh, mama. Justice, good job. Good stuff, God is good. Let's make it to the portage before it gets dark.
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody's losing.
The next day, Justice, Meg, and I took off to the Idaho border. We had heard rumors of a creek that was tucked up in the backcountry, that if you had the nerve to brave the grizzlies and the rattlers, you'd find yourself immersed in a wilderness that feels forgotten. Seemed like it was something right up our alley.
Up here, you were just... So, who gave you this spot?
Alright, ladies, what you think? Head down to the creek?
Head down.
Who's gonna catch the first fish?
Reigning champ.
So we stole Meg from Cotter today. They flew in last night. Cotter still has to work. Meg does not.
We are off-roading.
Meg, have you ever caught a cutthroat? No cutthroat. So hopefully, first one today. Creek looks awesome.
Superhero with her hand.
Broken hand, no problem. See that fishy? We're gonna switch flies. Here he comes. Oh, he was coming for it. He was coming for it. Good job. Oh, it's gorgeous. Rod tip up. Nicely done. Nice.
Yeah! Woohoo!
That's a great fish. Let's
So
go.
is this the cutthroat?
Yes.
Wow.
Nice shot. Good fish. That's a great fish. All right, Meg, you're up. You got this, teamwork. Here you go.
Knit me.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, I'll try to bring him to you.
Yeah.
Here, I'll bring him.
You get him? Let's go. You guys are both on the board. I've yet to catch one. Dog hit though.
I'm the epic third wheel over here.
Epic third
We
wheel.
love it.
The tripod. Alright, keep on going.
All-terrain mode.
Alright, crew, what you got to say? We finally got the whole crew to here.
Yeah. Well,
Finally.
fish better be worried, but
Fish
we're
better be
friendly,
worried.
so
Any friendly wagers on today? Biggest fish of the day?
why don't
Sarah.
we do a couple? Why
Sarah?
don't we do a couple fish off?
Oh, couple fish tournament.
off? One rod per couple?
Ooh.
This is gonna get nasty.
You can make it happen.
Could be fun. Have to alternate
I
fish.
put money on Cole and
Yeah.
Justice on that one.
If you catch a fish, you have to alternate.
I don't know. We got Justice while she's impaired.
Doesn't seem to have stopped her so far.
How's the hand feeling so far?
It feels so much better than yesterday, so that's
Not cramped today.
Yeah, I literally couldn't
With the
move
cast.
yesterday.
The free fly cast.
But I'm good now, actually.
It's pretty
I
dope.
would try to grip things and it would just hurt so bad. It's still on. It's amazing. I'm so
Oh, we
amazed.
got some tracks.
That is dead. That looks like the poisonous ones, I'm not gonna lie. The poisonous ones had clumps like that were more spread out.
Yeah, that does. Those don't
So
look.
did the very best ones.
Those do not look friendly.
Let's pass
bad
those
to me.
ones. Not friendly.
Not friendly.
Those are actually those.
Justice, how many berries have you eaten on this trip that were unidentified?
3 or 4.
3 or 4 now.
I think 3.
Still kicking. It's kind of impressive. I liked it. Wood. Yeah, do you need a net?
Give him a
I have a net that I found on the river and in the park.
You can have a custom net. I got so many.
That you saw my father's
Got to. Well, there's a fish.
go.
Where did I put my rod and all that?
You handed it to me.
I did?
Right here?
Well, that's a safe move.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where did the man, you need to catch that red cut there.
Yeah, there's definitely a cut mixed in with them. Unless I'm crazy.
No, well, I haven't seen it in a while, but when we got there, it hit twice, and it was super red.
That's what I was thinking too. Good deal. Whitefish.
Like we need to do.
It's not bad. It's about, well,